مرحبا بكم في مسلسل آدم بودكاست لتعلم الإنجليزية. آدم وصل أمريكا، واليوم سنرافقه مع سارة في رحلته بالتاكسي إلى الفندق ونتعلم كلمات وجملا جديدة.
Where is the taxi? I don't see any.
Don't worry, Adam. Taxi stand is over there. Look.
Ah, okay. I see it now. Let's go.
Hello. Excuse me. Taxi.
Hello? Where do you want to go?
We want to go to the hotel.
It's called Sunrise Hotel.
Okay. Hop in.
Thank you. Yes, hop in.
Adam, repeat. Hop in.
Hop in, okay. Wow, this taxi is big.
Yes, relax, Adam. Look outside. Many cars.
Many cars, Traffic?
Yes, traffic. Cars on the road. Repeat, traffic.
Traffic, okay, traffic.
Beautiful day today. How are you?
I am good, thank you. And you?
I am good, thank you. Where are you from?
I am from Egypt.
Adam, repeat, I am from Egypt.
I am from Egypt, okay. I can say it.
Adam, look. A traffic light. Red, stop. Green, go.
Red stop, green go, okay.
Yes, very good. And this, crosswalk. People walk here.
Crosswalk, people walk, a crosswalk. I understand.
Turn right here.
Turn right, okay. Right, yes.
Adam, repeat after me. Turn right.
Turn right, okay, again. Turn right. Excuse me, taxi, can I ask, how long to hotel?
About 20 minutes, traffic is light.
Light traffic, few cars, yes.
Good. And look, coffee shop, small shop, many people.
Coffee shop, small people, okay.
Repeat, coffee shop.
Coffee shop, okay, coffee shop. What is this? Sign, stop?
Yes, stop sign. Red, stop.
Stop, red, okay.
Look, green light now, go.
Go green traffic light, yes.
You speak very good English.
Thank you very much. Look, big buildings, many cars, people, bikes, many shops.
Yes, this city is big. Lots of things to see.
Yes, I like city, very big, very busy.
Busy means many people, many cars, many things.
Busy, okay, busy city, yes.
Adam sees a car. What color is the car? Repeat after me. Red.
Red, yes, red.
Good. And the taxi? Yellow. Yellow taxi.
Yellow, taxi, okay, yellow taxi.
Here we are. Sunrise Hotel.
Wow. Finally, hotel. Big hotel.
Yes. Welcome. Adam, you did very well today.
Thank you. Yes, very good day, little nervous, but happy.
Step by step, you will speak fluent English.
Step by step, little by little, yes.
Let's pay the taxi and go to the hotel.
Pay taxi. Okay, done. Hotel, yes, check-in, okay. We are inside.
Good job today, Adam. Tomorrow, more English, more fun.
Yes, more English. I am ready.
Step by step, little by little, fluent English.
Yes, I can do it.
انتهت الحلقة الثانية من مسلسل آدم بودكاست لتعلم الإنجليزية. الآن سنعرض لكم جميع الجمل التي استخدمناها في الحلقة لتسهيل الحفظ والمراجعة. حاولوا تكرار كل جملة بصوتكم وركزوا على النطق والمعنى. تذكروا في كل حلقة سنضيف كلمات جديدة ومواقف جديدة، بحيث تزيد صعوبة المحادثات تدريجيا وتزداد الاستفادة مع كل حلقة. بهذه الطريقة ومع استمراركم في متابعة الحلقات ستلاحظون تطور مستواكم تدريجيا، وفي نهاية المسلسل ستصبحون قادرين على التحدث باللغة الإنجليزية بطلاقة. في الحلقة القادمة سنرافق آدم في الفندق ونتعلم كلمات وجمل جديدة تتعلق بالمغامرة داخل الفندق والمحادثات اليومية.